Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the lead mechanical engineer here at AudioControl. I wanted to talk about our Bijous today. I'm going to give you some more of the mechanical technical details behind these. These are our custom bespoke infrastructure. Power is all done by us in-house. They are EMI attenuated, so they're as quiet as possible inside and out. They're running GaN amp cards utilizing a gallium nitride semiconductor, so they have an absolutely minimal power size factor, but a maximized power factor. So these little amp cards are so powerful. We're actually using them in our new Hyperion RCV as well. 11 channels running right next to each other. And then if I could, I'd like to show you. So we have our cool air in and our ventilation out. So these things at max power are still running as cool as possible. To the touch, I mean, you could be blasting your speakers out in every direction. These things hardly get warm because we're partnered with Noctua. If you're not familiar, they're the quietest, most efficient fan brand on the market, essentially. So another thing to mention is that all of our power is custom designed, so there's nothing from outside, and we've made it so that our infrastructure works perfectly with our amp cards, delivering maximum efficiency and minimal heat and maximum clarity. These things are a powerhouse in a tiny form factor.
All right. And hey, I'm Corey with AudioControl, the lead software engineer, so I'm taking over for my buddy Nick here to talk about that. So if we look over to our web UI, the Bijou systems have tons of customization options. So this one's the 5100, the 5-channel, but you have tons of input options, tons of speaker config, and what a lot of people love is you're not just locked. Your output 1-2 can be surrounds, top, middles, centers, output 4-5, and the 6-7. It's 5 channels amplified, but we have 2 outputs for line level if you want to go to a separate amp. And of course, our Dante feature, where we basically down mix, stereo down mix, whatever's being processed by the Bijous out to Dante for distribution. And last but not least, tons of frequency response, tons of EQ, tons of gain, with a full multi-point parametric or graphic EQ system here. So you can easily adjust your frequencies, cues, gains, and all of that. And this is where the beauty really shines. Tons of customization options for everybody here. All right, so definitely thank you for taking a look at the Bijous. For more info, you can go to audiocontrolpro.com.